How to start a blog and make money. If you've ever wondered how to start a blog and make money from it, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of starting a blog and turning it into a profitable venture. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1: Choosing your blogging niche. The first step in starting a successful blog is choosing your niche. A niche is a specific topic or area of interest that you'll be focusing on. It's essential to pick a niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will not only help you create engaging content, but also keep you motivated in the long run. To choose your niche, brainstorm ideas based on your hobbies, expertise, or things you enjoy. Research the market to identify if there is an audience for your chosen niche. Remember, it's crucial to find a balance between a topic you're passionate about and a topic that has potential for growth and profitability. Segment 2: Setting up your blog. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your blog. Here are the essential steps. 1. Choose a blogging platform. There are many platforms available, but we recommend WordPress.org for its flexibility and extensive features. 2. Register a domain name. Your domain name is your blog's web address. Make it memorable, relevant to your niche, and easy to spell. 3. Select a hosting provider. A hosting provider will store your blog's files and make it accessible online. Look for a reliable provider that offers good customer support. 4. Install WordPress. Most hosting providers have a one-click installation process for WordPress. Follow the instructions and get your blog up and running. Segment 3: Creating engaging content. With your blog set up, it's time to focus on creating engaging content that will attract and retain readers. Here are a few tips. 1. Define your target audience. Understand who your ideal reader is and tailor your content to their interests and needs. 2. Plan your content strategy. Create an editorial calendar to organize your topics and posting schedule. Consistency is key. 3. Write high-quality posts. Craft well-researched, informative, and engaging articles that provide value to your readers. 4. Use multimedia. Enhance your blog posts with images, videos, infographics, and other visual elements to make them more appealing. Segment 4: Monetization strategies. Now, let's talk about how you can make money from your blog. Here are some popular monetization strategies. 1. Advertising. Display ads on your blog using platforms like Google AdSense or join ad networks specific to your niche. 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission for each sale or referral. 3. Sponsored content. Collaborate with brands or companies and create sponsored posts or reviews in exchange for compensation. 4. Digital products. Create and sell your own digital products like ebooks, courses, or templates tailored to your audience's needs. Segment 5: Growing your blog. Building a successful blog takes time and effort, but here are a few tips to help you grow your audience. 1. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize your blog posts for search engines to improve your visibility and organic traffic. 2. Social media promotion. Utilize social media platforms to share your content, engage with your audience, and attract new readers. 3. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for other established blogs in your niche to expand your reach and gain credibility. 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, encourage discussions, and build a community around your blog. Conclusion: starting a blog and making money from it is an exciting journey that requires dedication and perseverance. Remember, it may take time to see significant results, so stay patient and consistent. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. If you have any questions or comments, please let us know in the comments section below.